Good morning, students. We are continuing our second chapter of civics of class 6. In previous videos we learned about the stereotypes and we see the consequences of stereotypes. Now we come to know the inequality and the discrimination. What is the inequality and the discrimination? It is unfair and unequal treatment of a person based upon one or more person characteristic is called discrimination. See, if we show our attitude or our unfair treatment or unequal treatment, or we deal with some people and we neglect someone, this type of characteristic if we show for some people, this is called the discrimination. It means we make to feel them that he or she will be not just like us, he or she will be different from us and he is not that much of capable the I am. It happen when people act or prejudice or stereotype someone. So this mindset or this type of situation comes when in our mind the prejudice and the stereotypes of thinking can take places. Some examples are given here in which we can clearly define that what is the discrimination and how we can make someone to feel that he or she will be not that much of capable just like I am. Doing something to put other people down. See, if we do some kind of act or we show some show something which is not fair and unfair, or with our act if we neglect someone or make someone down, this is show discrimination. Second one is stopping someone for taking part in the certain activities, talking up jobs, living in certain neighbors, etc. See, the second one is one example of discrimination is stopping someone. If in case someone have that much of capability to take a part or to involve in those activity, but our thinking is like that he or she will be not that much of capable, or he is not in that position to join us or to involve us. So that time we show the discrimination or inequality, we make them to go back and we mostly neglect them. Preventing someone from taking water from the same well or the hand pump. See, in previous or in our village side we see this kind of untouchability type of rules, that in some caste of people are not allowed to take a water from the same wall or the same hand pump because they are small. The thinking of village people is that they characterize or categorize ourselves by the caste. So the people who are the upper caste, they mostly they give more importance to our category or our category of people. Except those the other people, they are not allowing or they are not giving a respect to them. Not allowing someone to drink tea in the same cup of glasses as other. So these all are the some kinds of or some examples of discrimination. So there are also the types of discrimination. So the four types of discrimination are as follow: direct discrimination, indirect discrimination, harassment and victimization. So the first one is direct discrimination. It is the simplest and the most common form of discrimination. It involves unfair treatment of another people based on their age, disability, gender, resignations, race, religions and beliefs, sex and sexual orientation. See, if we decide our nature, or or uh, um, or we treat someone based on their age, gender, race, religion, sex, belief, or complex. So these are the direct discrimination. It is the simplest and the common form of discrimination. Indirect discrimination, in this type of discrimination there are law and policies that put a person in deprevalent position. Such type of policies apply to vary every person, but a law hit harder to some people because of some particular characteristics that they have. So indirect discrimination is the second form of discrimination. It is different from the direct discrimination. In this, based on the law and policy, people show the discrimination to other people. Harassment, un an unwanted, offensive, humility and intimidating act with someone because of their age, disability, gender, race, sexual orientation or religion is called the harassment. See, if we treat someone or some people based on their humanity or based on their disability, or we treat them different from other, these all are called the harassment. It can be the form of sign, written or spoken, joke or image. See, in this in under this the peoples can harass the other people by using this kind of symbols, writing, jokes, images and other. Victimization is the unfavorable treatment one receives without any wrongdoing. See, victimization, it involves the people is not wrong and he or she will be not doing anything wrong, but then also some community of peoples or some group of people are behaving unfavorable treatment, or give or treat them as a wrong person. For example, a person can be excluded for many activities as the punishment in all office sitting until the person decide to leave the job at his own will.